Welcome to Choice Champions. The best nail extensions is probably one of the most transformative beauty trends to emerge in recent years, offering a way to achieve stunning, customized looks that go beyond what natural nails can typically accomplish. Whether you're dreaming of dramatic length, intricate designs, or simply a more durable and polished finish for your everyday style, the world of nail extensions provides an incredible canvas for self-expression and confidence-boosting transformations. From classic acrylics and versatile gels to innovative press-ons and the latest polygel advancements, there's a perfect solution waiting to elevate your manicure game and make a statement. Number 5. Beetles Gel Nail Kit Easy Nail Extension Set. Achieve salon-quality nail extensions right from your home. This kit provides everything you need for a flawless DIY manicure. It's a comprehensive 9-in-1 set, including 500 coffin-shaped nail tips and a special gel glue. Everything is designed for your convenience. The innovative LED lamp ensures a quick and efficient curing process. Get perfectly set gel nails in no time. Creating beautiful gel nails has never been easier. Enjoy a simple and fun DIY nail art experience. This kit is ideal for applying gelly tips, giving you that perfect finish. Elevate your nail game with ease. Experience the luxury of professional nail extensions without leaving your house. It's the perfect blend of quality and ease. What we like? This kit offers an innovative LED lamp for quick curing. It's perfect for those who want a simple, at-home coffin-shaped nail extension experience. If you're a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution, this is a great choice. What people say. The nail extension kit includes everything you need to get started, with a variety of nail shapes and sizes to choose from. The polygel formula is easy to apply and self-levels beautifully, creating a smooth and natural-looking finish. The UV LED lamp cures the polygel quickly and efficiently, ensuring a durable and long-lasting manicure. Number 4. Beetles Gel Nail Kit Almond. Achieve stunning almond-shaped nails with ease. This kit provides everything you need for a flawless gel nail extension. Get perfectly shaped, extra-short almond tips that are ready to apply. Save time and achieve professional results at home. This comprehensive set includes a 5-in-1 multifunctional nail glue, base, and a UV LED lamp. It's your complete solution for beautiful nail extensions. Enjoy a simple and quick application process for long-lasting, beautiful gel nails. Get salon-quality results without the hassle. Surprise the nail art enthusiast in your life with this amazing gift set. It's ideal for creating gorgeous manicures and expressing personal style. What we like? Enjoy the convenience of pre-shaped, extra-short almond tips. The multifunctional glue simplifies the application process. If you prefer the almond shape and want a streamlined, easy-to-use extension kit for home, this is ideal. What people say. The nail extension kit includes everything you need to get started, with various sizes and shapes to choose from. The extensions are lightweight and flexible, providing a natural look and feel without being bulky. The application process is straightforward and can be done at home, saving time and effort compared to salon visits. Number 3. SAVILAND Acrylic Nail Kit for Beginners. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one acrylic nail kit. It's perfect for beginners looking to practice and perfect their skills at home. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to get started, from clear acrylic powder and liquid to essential tools like a brush, forms, and a dap and dish. Easily create beautiful nail extensions and intricate 3D nail art. Achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. Crafted with quality in mind, this kit provides a smooth and consistent application experience. It's designed for durability and ease of use. Transform your home into a personal nail salon. Practice and master acrylic sculpting techniques at your own pace. Take the first step towards becoming a nail art pro. This beginner-friendly kit makes learning acrylics fun and accessible. What we like? This set provides essential acrylic powder and liquid for sculpting. It's designed for beginners looking to practice extensions and 3D nail art. If you're interested in learning the fundamentals of acrylic sculpting and creating dimensional designs, this kit is a solid starting point. What people say. The product is very easy to use and the results are professional looking. The extensions are durable and lasted for over 2 weeks without chipping or breaking. Comes with a variety of sizes to fit different nail shapes. Number 2. SAVILAND Long Coffin Soft Gel Nail Tips Kit. Achieve stunning, salon-quality nails right in your own home. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for beautiful nail extensions. You'll receive 500 long coffin-shaped soft gel tips, offering a perfect canvas for your creativity. Get ready for endless nail design possibilities. The kit includes a versatile 15 ml 4-in-1 glue gel for secure application. Plus, essential prep tools are provided for a smooth and professional finish. Speed up your nail routine with the included 20,000 revolutions per minute drill and a convenient mini UV lamp. These tools ensure a quick and durable cure for your gel tips. This kit is your ultimate solution for creating beautiful and long-lasting nail extensions. Enjoy the convenience and professional results it delivers. What we like? Get salon-quality long coffin nails with this comprehensive kit. It includes a drill for shaping and a versatile 4-in-1 glue gel. If you desire dramatic, long coffin extensions and want the tools for professional shaping at home, this kit is for you. What people say. The nail extension kit includes everything you need to get started, with a variety of nail shapes and sizes to choose from. The polygel formula is easy to work with, allowing for smooth application and natural-looking results. The curing lamp is powerful and cures the gel quickly, saving time during the application process. Number 1. Morovan Polygel Nail Kit. Introducing the Morovan Polygel Nail Kit, your all-in-one solution for beautiful nails. This comprehensive starter kit has everything you need to achieve stunning results. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit makes creating professional-looking nail extensions simple and enjoyable. Get salon-quality nails without the hassle. Achieve salon-quality nail extensions right in the comfort of your home. You can have gorgeous, long-lasting nails in as little as 30 minutes. Enjoy beautiful, durable nails that last. Our formula is odor-free, providing a pleasant experience while you create your perfect look. Looking for the ideal gift for someone who loves nails? This kit is a perfect choice, offering everything they need for creative and professional nail art. What we like? Experience the ease of polygel, known for its odor-free and beginner-friendly application. This kit promises salon-quality extensions in about 30 minutes. If you're looking for a quick, professional-looking extension method that's gentle and efficient, this polygel kit is an excellent option. What people say. The nail extension kit includes everything you need to get started, with a variety of nail shapes and sizes to choose from. The polygel formula is easy to work with, allowing for precise application and a natural-looking finish. The UV LED lamp cures the gel quickly and efficiently, ensuring a durable and long-lasting manicure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.